Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out, a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that late day today, there was a very nice breakout. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows on the day, and then all of a sudden where the price ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, the price certainly had a nice bounce and actually got a little bit of a breakout. But that does lead to the more than valid question, given the overall context of, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction type movement? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is right here at, let's see, what is that? The 290 mark. Why is 290 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic. That price movement with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying that. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 290. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulled back here, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, once more, I am defining and quantifying that statement as progress at $2.90. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. The party stopped today and the breakout right up there around that $3 mark. So $3 will be public enemy number one. Although in my opinion, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about trying to establish and chip away and build some higher lows, because as long as higher lows begin to be put in place over time, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, and we'll see if the bulls can start to turn this thing around or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.